Best class ever. We had a great San Diego Trading
We really
Summit.
did. Come on
Really
down.
good.
Outstanding.
Great group of people.
Yes.
Learned everything. Waiting for March.
Yeah. Looking
Got really
forward
smart.
for
It was a
March.
great group, a lot of fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
So next time.
Yeah.
See you
And
next
bingo.
time.
This is your second time, right?
Yeah.
Next time.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
See
All right.
team.
See you, everybody.
Bye.
Serving traders worldwide since 1998, TradersCoach.com provides educational services for traders and investors alike. We've developed trading software to help traders of every level improve their skills. Our site is dedicated to providing you with all the resources, software, and educational material you need to achieve your trading goals. It is because of our years of experience, attention to detail, and our exceptional customer service that TradersCoach.com is the right choice for you. Call us today.